Hello. The February housing market stats are showing that all of our local markets continue to be in a balanced state. I'll provide you with a detailed analysis of the Guelph housing market, but let's first take a look at some of the key metrics of all of our local markets relative to February of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $775,000, which is up by 3.3%. The median days to sell was 14 days, which is down by 6.7%. The total number of listings was 267, which is down by 21.5%, and the total number of sales was 119, which is down by 47.1%. In the Tri-Cities, for Kitchener, the median sale price was $719,000, which is up by 2.5%. In Waterloo, it was $730,000, down by 1.9%, and in Cambridge, it was $680,000, down by 6.7%. The Guelph real estate market in February 2025 continued to show resilience in home prices with a 3.3% increase in median sale price compared to last year. However, the overall market pace has shifted with a notable decline in both new listings and sales activity. With only 267 homes hitting the market, down 21.5% from last year, and sales dropping significantly by 47.1%, buyers and sellers are facing a different dynamic than in previous years. Homes are selling slightly faster, with a median of just 14 days on the market. However, fewer listings mean limited choices, and well-priced homes are likely to attract a competitive interest. Sellers, on the other hand, can take confidence in rising prices, but may need to be patient with fewer buyers out there making purchases. Overall, February's numbers suggest a market in transition. Pricing remains strong, but lower inventory and sales volume indicate a more cautious approach from both buyers and sellers. As we move into the spring market, shifting economic factors, including interest rates and buyer confidence, will play a key role in shaping activity in the months ahead. Stay tuned as we enter the spring market and reach out to me if you're considering a move this year. Even if you're waiting to see how the political landscape shapes up, it's best to start the conversation now if you're wanting to buy, sell, or invest in property this year. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.